Howdy, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we are going into week 8, Inca beginnings and endings, and this is your suggested schedule right up here. Please notice that this is the week of fall break, which means that Friday is officially an off day, so we have everything scheduled. You'll see your suggested schedule is Monday through Thursday instead of Friday. You will, of course, have all 7 days to get your work in, so everything will eventually still be due Sunday night. But I have a suggested schedule here for Monday through Thursday, and then you can have the 3-day weekend to yourself. So please do that accordingly. And of course, being Monday morning, you should be checking your grades, you should be checking your messages, checking your email, all of that stuff that you normally do every couple of days, but definitely Monday mornings. So the other thing I want to talk about, really important, I know that there are several different ways to get to the assignments, whether going through the upcoming, your calendar here or through your grade book, but this is the way you should be opening up the unit folder and then clicking into the week, so week 8, and then going through week 8 page by page. So you pretty much always start with the social studies target. Please start here. Even though you could go straight to some of the assignments here, please go page by page here and start on this page. Now this week you do have the quiz at the end of the week, and so that's the exception, is that I'd like you to go and do the weekly quiz. Go ahead and do that the first time as a pretest on Mondays, and then at the end of the week, after you've gone through everything else, then go back and take it again for full credit. So that would be the one exception, is as you go into the folder, go ahead and do the end of the weekly quiz at the start, and then start back here, go to social studies target, and work your way through each page so that you make sure you're getting all the information, you're hitting each of the assignments. You have this vocab assignment with these 8 vocabulary words, and then as you go through some videos and readings, please pay close attention to all of the visuals, the pictures and drawings, and learning a little bit more about the Inca religion, but really the Civil War piece where they were fighting amongst themselves. And then you do have this discussion board as well. Because it is a short week, again, please get your posts and replies done as soon as possible so that other people have a chance as well. Okay, great. Let me know if you have any questions. Those of you coming to campus on Wednesday, we do have the Warren Tech field trip as well, and get you all caught up on stuff. So let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.